I'm Noah Michler. I'm the president of Design Design and DreamWall. We're here at InfoComm 2026 in our DreamWall booth, and we're showing our CCTV line. We have it broadcasted out at the corner of our booth, and this is being shown in a matrix system on our 216 CooLED DreamWall. What's really cool about this matrix is we have 3 different camera angles. So on the bottom, that's a pretty standard viewing angle. On the top, we have our panoramic viewing angle that is normally 180 degrees, but this is a 200-degree panoramic view, so that's something pretty special. And this is a 16 megapixel, so really clear, really bright. Now what makes our CCTV system pretty special is that we have cloud recording and playback. So that's something that's been popularized by residential systems, some names that you would know in everyday commercial use, like Ring, to name one that's really popular. But we're doing that here at Design Design to bring to residential and commercial systems, and we're very excited about what's to come. Thank you.